back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick tour of my room. I'll be moving soon, so I just wanted to show you the room I've been staying in for the past few months now. I moved to this place in February of 2020. I lived at a different apartment. That was it was a wonderful experience. I'm being sarcastic in case you did not catch that. But so I moved here recently and I just wanted to show you guys what the room is like. And it's very cheap, but it's still, you know, spacious enough and it's still good. It's a very affordable and good option for students who are on a budget. First of all, this house is a 3-bedroom apartment. So I have 2 other roommates and we pay about $1,000 per month for this place. Being that me and one of the roommates shared one bathroom, we pay the lowest in rent, if that makes sense. So the master bedroom with, you know, a toilet and bathroom attached to it is more expensive than my room. So I pay $330 per month. Then plus utilities, everything goes up to like $390 at the very most. For whatever reason, let's say we had a lot of electricity usage that month or something, then we'll probably pay at the very most, maybe like at the very most. I don't think it's more than $450, but I've never paid up to that before. Most times it's just $390 because we manage our electricity pretty well. So I'm just gonna show you the place now. Disclaimer: my room is not a fancy room. It is not. It's a very practical student room. I only buy what I need. I try to decorate, if you will, but yeah, I'm not a very big decorating person. I don't really decorate like that, so I didn't really do much for my room. Yeah, it's very practical. It's more practical than fancy. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now. And yeah, let me stop talking. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends and family, and yeah, join the family. I make great content on this channel, so join the family. Yeah, all right, let's get into it. This is my room. That is my roommate's room. She's the one that has the master bedroom, so with the bathroom and everything. And then this is the other room. So I share a bathroom with this other roommate. And then this is our parlor. Let me to give you an idea about how big it is. It's quite spacious, to be honest. It's not that bad for $1,000 a month. And then this is our kitchen. Yeah, that place. Yeah, just. So this is my room, and going into my room, so this is my wardrobe. It's very small. Smaller than my previous wardrobe for my other room. For my previous apartment is way smaller. So when you come in, you see this jewelry holder, jewelry organizer, whatever you want to call it. And I got it from Walmart. This was like $9.99 or so. I forgot how much I got it from, but you can get it at Walmart. And I just put my jewelries there because I lose my jewelries a lot, so I needed something to put my jewelries in so I don't keep losing my jewelries. But as you can see, I don't really wear a lot of jewelry, so that's that. And then I have my clothes here. So I separated them into different types of clothes. So here I have mostly my tops, jackets, anything that goes on the top of my body is in this area. And then anything that goes on the bottom is in the middle here in this area. And then I have my gowns and other stuff on this side. And then I have a bunch of stuff down here, my boxes with clothes inside. So as I said, I'm moving, so I have a box with some other clothes in here that I'm taking to the donation center because I don't need those clothes anymore. Then I have a whole bunch of stuff here that are mostly like hair and things I got from conferences and a bunch of other things that I may eventually throw out. When I'm packing up this place, I'll sort through all of that. And then I have my iron here, which I hardly use because most of my clothes don't really need ironing. And then this is a bed riser I use for my bed. I'll show you guys when I'm showing you the bed. I got this at Walmart. And then here I just have like plates and other things that I use. My toiletries, plate, cup, my toaster. Well, that's not the toaster box. The toaster is in the kitchen. But I have a bunch of other boxes there with books and other stuff inside. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Up here, I have my shoes. You can see I don't have a lot of shoes. I don't really wear a lot of shoes. I wear more slippers and whatnot. So here I have this towel rack holder thingy. So I keep my towels and, you know, any scarves or things that I'm using, like maybe to tie down my hair or something, and my hair net and all of those other things. I put them here so that I can easily grab them when I need. Then this one is for cleaning my hand after I finish using the bathroom. So this door leads to the bathroom. I don't want to show you guys the bathroom because, yeah, I shared it with somebody. Coming to this side, this is my trash. This is my trash, you know, broom and whatnot. And then this is my laundry basket. So as you can see, I have some clothes in there that I need to wash. And then coming over here, this is where I keep all of my lotion, perfumes, body sprays, all those type of things. I got this basket from Walmart as well. This one is also from Walmart. I just keep my clothes. Normally you would have like a regular dresser, you know, made of wood or something, but I don't have any of those. And this house is on a budget. I was decorating, I was furnishing this place on a budget. I'm a college student. I don't have money to be buying plenty things, so I just bought this from Walmart. These are just decorations, or I would say I was trying to decorate or whatever, I don't know. But I got this. My sister gave this to me. And then where did I even get this from? I think my friend gave this to me. And then this was when I participated in a hackathon, and my group came 3rd place. And then you have my bed right here. I purposely put this next to my bed so it's easy for me to keep things and grab things as I want. So this bed frame, I bought it from Walmart as well. You can see Walmart is out here saving lives. So I bought this from Walmart. I bought the mattress also from Walmart. The bedspread and every other thing I believe I got this one online, and then I got this one from Target. The bed frame, the mattress, both from Walmart, and everything came out to about $300 and something for both of them. So it wasn't too bad, and I liked it because it has space underneath where I can keep a whole bunch of other stuff. The only downside to this is that you have to put it together by yourself. You can pay them to put it together for you, which is about $60, but I didn't do that. I called someone to come help me, one of my friends to come help me put it together. Down here I just have a bunch of other stuff that I don't use so often, but I still reach for them from time to time. So here I just have my bed sheets and towels and stuff like that. Then my laundry detergent and a bunch of other things like hair and some goodies I got from the conference. If you watched my day in the life, I got that from a conference. And then I have some gifts here for Christmas and from my birthday as well. So I'm gonna open that in a different video and you guys are gonna see what's inside. And then here I have this basket with all of my hair stuff. So all of my hair stuff are here, you know, my shampoo, this one, shampoo, conditioner, gel, everything that I use for my hair. I just put them in this basket. Again, I got this basket from Walmart. Walmart is the lifesaver, people of God, the lifesaver. And then here I have all of my bath stuff. So things for bathroom, like air freshener. This one I use it when I'm washing the bathroom. So yeah, everything for my bath goes in here. My bath and face goes in there. And then here I just have a bunch of stuff. This basket is also from Walmart, and I just have a bunch of stuff in here. Same thing here. I just have a bunch of things that I don't use often. Just dump them inside here. And I really like that this bed has space underneath, because I don't like things being in the way around or by the corner and things. So I just push all of them under the bed and call it a day. Be still and know that I am God. Be still and know that you are enough. Be still and know that whatever is going on in your life will come to an end. It's just a phase, it will pass. So I like this. I just like the first thing that came to mind when I saw it was be still and know that I am God. And so I really liked it. And then this one as well, this one says wild and free, and I really like that because I'm kind of wild and free, so I wanted something that reflects me, and I like the whole white background with the brown and flowery thing going on, so I really like that. Then coming down here, you would see my tripod stand, and this is what I used to film. This is what I used to film videos, so I usually keep it like here. I usually keep it here because it's, you know, right next to the window, so I keep it there and film there. But when I'm not filming, it's usually here. And then I don't have a wig stand, so I just put my wig on here. And this wig, some of it, I think this one is even gonna go anyway. It has tried for me. So of course these wigs are not super expensive. That's why I can keep them there. If they are super expensive, of course I would get a wig stand for them, so my money is not in vain. And then coming down here, so I have my medications and, you know, just regular things like Tylenol and all of that. Then I just have my pen and pencil bag here. And I have this small basket. Again, this basket is also from Walmart, and I just have my basket for like makeup and face and stuff, and then this one's for hair, and then this one's for school stuff. Then this one has more of my makeup. It's my eyeshadow palette. It's supposed to be in here, but yeah, it's sitting pretty there. And then coming over here, I have my table. So this table, a friend gave it to me, and I just have my books for school. Well, of course, now that I'm done with school, I don't need them again. But books for school, my calculator, sticky notes, and then this was a gift from my fellowship for my graduation. My picture is supposed to be here, but I haven't put my picture yet, so I'll still get to that. And then here I have a reading lamp, a small mirror, and some more books that I'm struggling to finish. All these books I was supposed to have finished them by now, but I haven't. And some more books here that I haven't finished reading. And then my Bible, my mask, of course, is Corona. Chair, a school bag. If you notice, I don't really have handbags because I don't really wear a lot of handbags, so that's just me. This is what the overall looks like. So this is a very practical room on a budget. As you can see, I don't make a lot of money. I only work part-time and they pay me how much. So I don't make a lot of money, so I have to do everything on a budget. So buying this bed and mattress set was a huge decision for me because it's a lot of money. That's like half my paycheck. About, and if you have any questions, if you want me to give you more details about housing in this location, just let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Deuces.